Hey guys, welcome back. Be Original. I'm your host, Tennessee Tim. Today we're down at the California store having a little breakfast, and we have put on today's calendar fishing trip. Well, what do you need when you go fishing? You need lures. Well, we found some barred rock feathers this morning. They make awful pretty lures. We're gonna do a catch, cook, and clean, our catch, clean, and cook video with some bluegill. And y'all follow along with us as we go about our day. I'll show you how I make these lures. These little bitty jig heads. These are available from the Slider Company out of Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Now I'll show you the sizes. This is a ball head. I think it's a 64th ounce. Hold it up there so you can see it. See how small they are. Take this. Got a little pair of miniature vice grips. You clip it in here like that. This is called a bobbin. You get your thread and pass through it. You need to start your line where you can pull against it. So you have to kind of cross your thread a few times so that your string will bite. You can pull on it and you trim your tag off. Like that. And this is the feather we've chosen. We're gonna make a lure out of. You don't use the whole thing. We only need about that much of it. We're making little shorties like this right here. And so you strip that back. Give it a little clip. Take this part, lay it across the back of this hook. Hard to do this with a handheld. It's easier to do with a tabletop version. But you hold it on there like that. Go around it a few times. That lashes it down. And then you finish it off, cross your line, and make a loop in it. You make 4 or 5 loops. And then when you pull it down, it ties a knot in it where you can cut your string. You don't even have to use any glue. You have yourself a little hand-tied micro jig suitable for fishing. Y'all come along with us and watch what we do with this. Travis and I are sitting down on Williamsport Lake here in Murray County. I'll show you this hand-tied lure, doing this off the telephone. You see that hand-tied lure for the bluegill. We're gonna make some tacos out of him. Say hi, Travis.
Howdy. That's what I'm talking about.
Hold that up here. Let's see. That's a big shell cracker, what that is. Didn't get the camera on in time, but my boy here, he got him a, he's a bass fisherman. He got a crappie rod in his hand. Look what he just pulled in a boat. What'd you catch it off of? A little water?
A little piece of a red wiggler.
Piece of red wiggler. This is Williamsport Lake, y'all. We spent $10, rented a boat. We had a trolling motor, we had a battery, and we're having $10 worth of fun right now. Tacos. I don't know if he'd measure, but if he does, he'd be tacos. A family duck swimming behind that log yonder. There they are. Mama and her babies. Ain't that beautiful? You don't see this stuff sitting in the house on TV. Get up off your couch, put the ho-hos up, get outside, grow your supper, or like Travis here, go catch it. What did you catch there, my brother?
Little baby crappie.
Look at him, look at him. This so happens to be what we be looking for. Y'all have a great day, because we sure are. Say bye, Travis.
Bye-bye.